to the File menu. Shortcut menu is displayed. Next, choose this new option from the shortcut menu. You will get this new SolidWorks document dialog box with the Path tab chosen. As the Path tab is chosen, so I'll click on this OK button. Now we are into the path modeling environment of SolidWorks. To create lines, we need to enter the sketching environment. So click on this Sketch tab in the Command Manager. As we want to create a sketch, so click on the Sketch tool here. As you click on this Sketch tool, these three planes, the front plane, top plane, and the right plane are temporarily displayed on the screen. Let's say I want to create my sketch on the top plane. So I will select it by clicking on the top plane. Now we are into the sketching environment of SolidWorks. And here we have different sketching tools. First tool here is the line tool. I click on this down arrow here. We have three tools available here. First one is line tool, center line, and midpoint line. So I'll click on this line tool first. As I clicked on the line tool, you can see we have this insert line property manager displayed here. And this property manager has two rollouts, orientation and options. You can see in the orientation rollout, the as sketched radio button is currently chosen. So let me click in the drawing area for the first point of the line. I'll click at the origin. As I specified the first point of the line, you can see the property manager has changed to line properties. Now I'll click for the second point of the line in the horizontal direction. I'll click here. So the line segment is created and it is a horizontal line. Now to exit the line tool, what I'll do is I'll right click in the drawing area and select this select option. So in this way, we have created a line segment. Let us invoke the line tool again. To understand other options that are available in the property manager, here in the orientation rollout, the second option is horizontal. I'll click on this radio button. Again, I'll click for the first point. You can see now I can only create the horizontal lines. If I try to move my cursor in the vertical or any other direction, I can't do that. I can only create horizontal lines because we have chosen horizontal radio button in the property manager. I'll click here for the second point. Now you can see here in the existing relations rollout, one relation is added to this list box, which is horizontal one. This one. Also in this add relations area, we have also in this add relations rollout, we have three relations available: horizontal, vertical, and fix. Currently the line is horizontal. If I try to add this vertical relation to this line segment, let's see what happens. You can see we have this message displayed here, the sketch is overdefined. As this is a horizontal line, so horizontal relation is already applied to this line, and we are trying to apply the vertical constraint, which is not possible. So I'll undo what I did just now. What I can do is I can fix this line. I can fix the location of this line segment. So I'll click on this fix option here. You can see the fix relation is applied to this line segment. Also, it is added to this existing relations list box. In the options area, we have two checkboxes, for construction and infinite length. If I select this for construction checkbox, you can see the line has turned into a construction line. If I select this infinite length checkbox, you can see the length of the line segment has gone infinite. Now we cannot locate the start and end points of this line segment. The parameters area, we have this angle edit box. Currently the value is set to 0 degrees. If I try to change it, let's make it 30 degrees. Let's enter, you can see this value changed back to 0 degree as the horizontal and fixed constraints are applied to this line segment. So after creating the line segment, I'm going to click on this close dialog button. Let us again invoke the line tool. So I'll click on the line tool. Now in this orientation rollout, you can use the vertical radio button to create a vertical line segment. If you want to create line segment at an angle, you can choose this angle radio button. click on this angle radio button. Here's my first point for the line segment, and this is the second point. Right click and click on this select option. If I click on this line, you can see currently the angle value is 33.21. I want to change it to 50 degrees. Type 50 and press enter. You can see the angle at which the line segment was inclined has changed to 50 degrees. Length of the line segment is 106. You can change it to say 150. So after creating the line segment, I'll click on this close dialog button. Now if I go to this drop down list, you can see there are two other tools, center line and midpoint line. So this time I'll click on the center line tool, activate it, first point, and this is the second point. So the center line is kind of a construction line. You can also use the line tool to create this center line. Third tool in this drop down is midpoint line. Let's click on this midpoint line tool to activate it. You can see again the insert line property manager is available here. And this time in the options rollout, the midpoint line checkbox is already selected. To create this midpoint line, I need to click on the screen. You can see the point where I clicked is the midpoint of the line segment we are about to create. As I move the cursor in horizontal direction, you can see length is added in both the directions. I'll click here to create the line segment. To exit the tool, I'll right click in the drawing area and then choose this select option. In this way, we have created a line segment, center line and the midpoint line. Thank you for watching this video.